Laying carpet tile is an excellent way to update an office yourself once you remove the baseboards and the old floor. The only difficult part is going to be cutting those carpet tiles once you get up against the walls. Now, this is actually really easy to do. What you want to do is, if your carpet tile has a pattern, make sure you have the pattern turned the direction you want it, and you're going to put it right up against the wall or door in this case, and you're going to get it to fit as best you can, and it will overlap the adjacent tile. That's okay, that's what we want it to do. Then we're going to turn it over and put it in that exact same position. And what we want to do is we want to very accurately see where it's going to overlap that adjacent tile. Now I'm going to use a very heavy right angle. I want a firm edge, and I'm going to use that to make a distinct line where I need to cut it. And because I have the tile flipped over, I'm going to use a Sharpie and just draw a line using that right angle, and that's going to be my mark for where I'm going to cut this thing. So once I put that mark on the carpet tile, then I'm just using some of the boxes, and I'm working in the exact same room just right next door. I'm going to get a utility knife or box cutter, and I want to put a brand new blade on that box cutter or utility knife so that I make a nice clean cut. I'll put a link in the description to any of the tools that you need if you want to do this project yourself. But as you can see, I'm now laying my right angle across that carpet tile right on that black line over a couple of pieces of cardboard so I don't damage the floor. And with a new blade, one cut through that carpet tile will probably get the job done. If not, you can make a second strike, but if you do that, you'll have a perfectly cut carpet tile, and now we can go peel the back off and lay it in place. Now, if you just keep doing this all the way around the room where your carpet tiles are, you can finish the job. You can also see I do have double-sided tape laying along that wall just to get things to stick really well. Just do that all the way around the room. Once you're done, you can reinstall those baseboards, and you will have a fantastic, newly updated room with those carpet tiles. And remember, if you spill anything, you can always peel up one of those squares and put a new piece down. This is a great way to update an office if you do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.